Inert gas system. Recommendable maintenance. The inert gas system is made up of the following main components. 1. Scrubber. 2. Inert gas fan, blower. 3. Deck water seal. Ensure that periodic maintenance is carried out in accordance with the instruction manual in order to ensure that the system is in good working condition. The scrubber is composed of a venturi, packed tower, and demister element. Maintenance of the scrubber. As an occasional maintenance of the scrubber after usage, let the cooling water flow for about 30 minutes by running the scrubber pump continuously. Yearly maintenance work of the scrubber. Check the spray nozzles for wear and clogging. Check the lining of inner surfaces. Check for corrosion of the components in the scrubber. Ensure that the manhole cover of the scrubber tower is closed properly after maintenance work. Inert gas fan. Although most impurities of the inert gas are removed in the scrubber, a small amount of solid particles will still deposit on the impeller and casing of the IG fan and may cause corrosion. Furthermore, if the solid particles are deposited randomly on the surface, it may cause unbalance of the impeller blade. To avoid such problems, wash the fan as soon as possible after the fan has stopped. Make sure that the fan is completely stopped. After connecting the washing hose, open the valve and hose valve. Wash the impeller by turning it slowly for 10 to 15 minutes. After completion of washing, open inspection hole and ensure that the adhering matters, such as carbon particles and foreign materials, are not being entrained in the casing and impeller. Washing must not be conducted while the fan is in operation, as it can cause serious damage to the impeller and casing. Deck water seal is capable of isolating flammable vapor from the cargo tank to boiler in the engine room. It is necessary to ensure water supply into the deck water seal continuously through the voyage to maintain the water level for sufficient seal. Maintenance of the deck water seal. Always check the seal water level. Check the internal coating periodically. Wash and clean the demister pad inside the deck seal. Check for corrosion of components in the deck seal.